I'm a realtor in Northern Virginia selling residential homes. And I always advise my clients, if I can still see that original like black cast iron pipe, or just an older sewer pipe, that it's probably a good idea to do a sewer scope, because that can quickly turn into a $15,000, $20,000 repair if they have to get that lateral replaced. I've had a number of clients where the house itself, if it was just the home inspection, it maybe needed $2,000, $3,000 worth of work, nothing that was a deal breaker for them. But then we advised that they also do a sewer scope to see what was going on underneath the home. And that repair would have been $15,000 or $20,000, which was way beyond what they had saved. It's incredibly valuable to my clients to know that the person who's doing their professional sewer scope inspection is trained and knows what they're doing. It's not a matter of $1,000 if they're right or wrong. It could be tens of thousands of dollars worth of repairs. I also wouldn't hire somebody who doesn't have this certification, isn't trained and equipped to be able to do this job, to do the scope the right way.